How to hide members in WhatsApp group. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can hide members in WhatsApp group. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. First step, locate your WhatsApp. Make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date to the latest version. After you do that, you can then open up your WhatsApp. Then tap on your group option. Then tap on new group. After you do that, add the members that you want on the group. After that, tap on the next icon. Then simply name a group. After you do that, just tap on the tick icon and then the group will be created. After you've created the group, what you'll then need to do is tap on your group name. After you're on here, what you'll then need to do is simply scroll down. There you should find an option to add group to a community. Tap on it and tap on get started. Then you'll need to name this community. Then tap on the next icon. Then tap on OK. So when you create a group community, people that are in the community will not be able to see each other who is in the group or not. And that's how you can hide members in a WhatsApp group. And that is basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.